After storm damage, a setback in funds, and months of repairs, one deep East Texas church has a new look. A portion of the First Baptist Church Timpson building was destroyed during a storm in June. KTRE's Vanessa Johnson shows us the church's repairs.
We tore down the other side of the brick to a point where it was even across the ledge. We installed metal sheeting on the top. And then we also built a brand new awning.
That's the almost finished look of First Baptist Church Timpson. For Pastor Chris Craig, the new design will always be the start of his unusual welcome to FBC Timpson story.
Didn't expect the front of the building to fall off, but it did.
In June, strong winds tore off the church's awning, taking down many bricks with it. Then there was another setback. They were told repairs needed to cost over $100,000 for insurance to cover it. The church estimated the damage to be about $30,000. In a twist of events, they received an outpour of donations.
We raised $36,000. Over half the funds came from outside of our church. And so, man, talk about a faith thing.
Craig says some materials were donated and some labor was discounted. They installed metal sheeting for a more modern look and for its durability.
God actually made a way for us to be better now than before the storm.
Craig now has another memory.
The day that we got to walk through that front door again, it was like a party.
Through it all, Craig says it has only strengthened his faith.
I just want this to be a testimony for people to watch and see that the God of the Bible isn't dead, that He's still alive, He's still working, He's still moving, He still does miracles, because what we experienced in this church was a miracle.
Vanessa Johnson, KTRE's Texas News 9.
And Craig says they have plans to pressure wash the building, repair a broken sign, and install a new sign on the renovated portion of the building once it arrives.